Water temperature is an important factor when washing clothes because it affects how effectively dirt, stains, and bacteria are removed, as well as how well the detergent works. Different types of fabrics and stains require specific water temperatures to achieve optimal cleaning results. Here's how water temperature matters when washing clothes. 1. Cold water, 70 degrees Fahrenheit but 20 degrees Celsius or lower. Preservation, cold water is gentler on fabrics and helps prevent colors from fading and fabric shrinking. It's suitable for delicate items and clothing with dyes that might bleed. Energy efficiency, washing in cold water requires less energy since there's no need to heat the water, making it more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. 2. Warm water, 80-100 degree F, 27-38 degree C. Balanced cleaning, warm water is effective for removing dirt, oils, and stains. It helps detergents dissolve better, improving their cleaning power. Versatility, warm water is suitable for most regular clothing items and can provide a compromise between cleaning efficiency and fabric care. 3. Hot water, above 100 degrees Fahrenheit but 38 degrees Celsius. Stain removal, hot water is particularly effective for removing oily stains, grease, and heavy soils. It can break down and dissolve these substances more effectively than cooler water. Sanitization, hot water can help kill bacteria, mites, and allergens, making it suitable for items like towels, bedding, and underwear. When deciding on the water temperature for washing clothes, consider the following. Fabric type, delicate fabrics like silk or wool should generally be washed in cold water to avoid damage. Sturdier fabrics can handle warmer water. Stain type, tough stains may require warm or hot water for effective removal. Always check the care label and any stain treatment recommendations before choosing the water temperature. Detergent instructions, different detergents have specific temperature recommendations for optimal effectiveness. Follow the instructions on the detergent packaging. Energy efficiency, using cold water for washing clothes is generally more energy efficient, as heating water consumes a significant portion of the energy used in washing machines. Color fastness, hot water can cause colors to bleed or fade, so consider using cold or warm water for brightly colored or patterned items. In modern washing machines, you can often select the desired water temperature based on the type of load you're washing. Many detergents are formulated to work well across a range of temperatures, so choosing the appropriate water temperature for your clothes and their specific needs can help you achieve the best cleaning results while preserving the longevity of your garments.